In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Amazon Pay in your Stripe account. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that opens your account settings and payment configuration options. After that, look for the Product Settings section in the Settings menu. Under Product Settings, click Payments. This will take you to the area where Stripe lets you manage how your customers can pay at checkout. Inside the Payments section, open the Payment Methods tab. Here, you will see a list of the payment methods that are available for your account. Scroll through the list or use the search feature to find Amazon Pay more quickly. When you locate Amazon Pay, click on it to open its settings page. This page will show the details for the payment method, including whether it is available for your business and what requirements must be met before it can be activated. Take a moment to review the eligibility requirements and availability shown on the page. This is important because some payment methods depend on your country, business type, or account setup. Once you confirm that Amazon Pay is available for your account, click Enable or Turn On to start the activation process. Stripe may ask you to complete additional setup steps to connect Amazon Pay. If that happens, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may need to complete a connection process or verify certain details before the payment method can be activated. When you finish those steps, click Save if Stripe prompts you to do so. Once the setup is complete, return to your payment methods list and confirm that Amazon Pay now appears as enabled. This lets you know the feature has been successfully added to your Stripe account. As a final step, test your checkout experience. This helps confirm that Amazon Pay appears correctly as a payment option for eligible customers. If it shows up during checkout, then the setup is complete and working as expected. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.